Hey guys, out in the shop today, and it's time for a little more maintenance on the 370. Front driver's wheel bearing is going bad on this, so I'm going to change that out today. This is a bolt-in style hub, so it should be a pretty quick change. So I figured I'd make a quick video, share that with you guys in case there's someone out there that's not sure of the process. So let's get started. Okay, so now I have wheel spacers, so I'm going to take those off next. Those of you that don't, you can skip this step. Okay, so now we're going to take the brake caliper off. It's just 2 bolts in the back here. I'm just tying the caliper out of the way. Okay, so now we're down to the hub. So there's 4 bolts in back there. It looks like I can get 3 from this side, and I'll turn the wheel and I should be able to get the 4th on the other side. Okay, so we got those bolts out. Next, we're going to take the speed sensor off. That goes through a metal plate in the back of the hub, so we want to take that off so we don't risk damaging it. So I've got the old hub off, the new one's ready to go in. I'm just going to clean everything up here with a wire brush first, and we'll get that new guy in. Another note, just depending on the brand that you buy, there's these little slots here for your speed sensor. Well, these are made to fit multiple vehicles, so make sure you rotate the hub in whichever direction matches the hole for the speed sensor. On mine, it's this hole here, so it'll go this way. Other vehicles, it may be this way. All right, so I've got that installed. Now I'm going to torque those bolts to 65 foot-pounds. Okay, so now I'm going to torque those bolts to 112 foot-pounds. Alright, so I've got the spacer back on. I'm about to torque those down. Now, if you do run spacers like I do, don't forget to do the additional retorque. If you're not sure what I mean, check out my video on the wheel spacers, and I explain why you have to do an extra set of torque. So I'm going to torque those up now. Alright, so that wheel bearing's all done. If you guys found this video helpful, you can give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, so the bolts for the caliper bracket are 22 mil. The bottom one's a little difficult to reach with my impact. I'm just going to throw a little universal joint on there.